Welcome to our guide on playing Minecraft Java Edition on iOS. Let's dive into the world of blocks and creativity. While Minecraft Java Edition offers unique features, it's important to note the limitations when trying to play on iOS devices. We'll explore third-party solutions that make accessing Minecraft Java on your iOS device possible. Here's a step-by-step guide on using a remote desktop application to enjoy Minecraft Java Edition on your iOS device. To play effectively, setting up a dedicated Minecraft server is essential. Let's walk through the setup process. Optimizing your mobile gameplay can make a huge difference in your experience. Here are some tips. Let's go over some handy tips to improve your control over Minecraft Java on your iOS device. Mods can enhance your gameplay. Here are some recommendations for the best mods to use on mobile. When using third-party applications, safety is key. Let's discuss how to stay secure while gaming. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you enjoy Minecraft Java Edition on your iOS device.